This conference will now be recorded.
This
everything
conference will now be recorded. Keep it in a folder called AEM. So create a folder called AEM, and whatever you downloaded, keep it there.
Hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, Prasanna, we are able to see.
Okay. So I have JDK already installed. So yeah, and I have copied this AEM SDK file.
Yeah, Vishal went on mute, so he will respond shortly.
Okay, so we created a folder called training. Okay, so inside that folder, create two more folders, author and publish. Okay, so I guess you have already done that.
Right.
Yeah. So open the author folder. So I shared one jar file. Copy and paste the jar file here. Quick start.jar. Go back.
Okay.
Go back to the AEM 6.5 folder. Yes. So CQ quick start 6. Yes. So this one. Right click, copy. Yeah, paste it here. Okay. Paste the same thing in publish folder also.
Okay.
Okay. So there is one properties file I shared, license.properties. Copy that in both the folders. Okay. Now go to the author folder. Rename this jar file to right click, rename. Yeah. AEM hyphen author hyphen P4502. No hyphen. After P, no hyphen. AEM hyphen author hyphen P4502. Yes, that's fine. So now go to publish folder and rename the jar file AEM hyphen publish hyphen P4503. Okay. So as I told yesterday, we have two instances, author instance and publish instance. So we created two folders, publish folder and author folder. Okay. And from author folder, we are going to start our author instance, and from publish folder, we are going to start our publish instance. So we renamed the jar file to AEM-author-P4502. It means the same jar file will serve your author instance as well as publish instance, depending upon the naming convention. So AEM-author-P4502, it will serve your author instance. Okay, so author instance is for development, right? So we are going to mostly work on author instance. So this jar file AEM-author-P4502 will serve your author instance. So the naming convention decides to which instance this jar file is going to serve. Okay, so AEM hyphen author means this is going to serve your author instance. P4502 means your author instance will start on port number 4502. Okay, so you can give any port number. It can be 7502, 8502. You can give any port number. Okay, but just for a training purpose, make it 4502. So you can give any port number, but make sure that port number is not occupied by any other application. Okay, fine. So similarly, go to the publish folder. Yeah, in publish folder, you can see the jar name is AEM-publish-P4503. It means this jar file is going to serve your publish instance, and your publish instance will run on port number 4503. Okay, so before we start your instance, we need JDK. As I told, AEM is a Java based content management system. So on top of Java, your application, AEM application will run. Okay, so to make sure Java is installed in your system, we have to open the command prompt, type the command java space hyphen version. VRSION. Okay, so which version you are having? You are having 1.8. That is fine. So actually AEM 6.5, okay, will support till JDK 11. Okay, the latest version of Java will not supported by AEM. So till JDK 11 it supports, but 1.8 is the version which JDK version 1.8 is compatible with all versions of AEM. Okay, so we need JDK 1.8. I guess you already have it. So we'll check one more time. Go to your C drive program files folder. No, 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 the other one. Yes, open Java, Java. Okay, so you have both JDK and JRE. So we need both. You are fine to install AEM. And those who doesn't have JDK 1.8 in your system, they have to install JDK 1.8. For Windows, I already shared. For Mac, I'm going to share it right now. Just give a minute. Let me share it. Okay, who is having MacBook? Please uh, give your email ID in the chat box. You can ping your email ID. Okay. Just I'm sending the email. Yeah, I sent the JDK for MacBook. Fine. So you can just download it. And if you have any other version of Java, okay, so you have to test, you have to check using the command Java space hyphen version, using your command prompt. If it is some other version, you have to uninstall it. Okay. So remember, if it is some other version other than JDK 1.8, you have to uninstall it. Okay. Then you have to install JDK 1.8 in your system. Okay. So for Windows, I already shared. For MacBook, I shared also now. So once it is installed, we'll start the installation. So now in the author folder, double click on the jar file aem-author-p4502. Yes. So you can see one folder got created, crx-quick start. Okay. So in the jar file am-author-p4502, we have lot of APIs, libraries, AM specific APIs library. So everything got extracted into this CRX quick start folder. Okay. And your instance, you can see one widget on your screen showing starting quick start on port number 4502. It means your author instance is starting on port number 4502. Okay, so make sure you have JDK 1.8 installed before this. Okay, and you have to check in the program files Java folder. You should have both JRE and as well as JDK. Okay, but in Mac you will find only one. Okay, so that is fine. After that you can start the installation. So our installation is already started. So open crx quick start folder. We'll see everything is getting extracted there or not. Yes, so open the logs file. Okay, so it is getting created. Go back, don't open anything. Okay, so it will take some time. Close all those things. So if you are doing the installation for the first time, it will take some 10 minutes, around 10 minutes. Okay, we just need to wait till that time. So I hope everyone has started this. Anyone facing any difficulties for launching this author instance? Okay. Make sure you have JDK 1.8 installed before this. Okay.
Visual, actually, I missed it starting 10 minutes, so I am just blank right now.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So we are doing the installation actually. Okay.
Okay.
So I shared the installables yesterday. Hope you got it.
Yes, I
Okay.
got it. Yeah.
So yeah, so you have to create a folder called AEM in your C drive, D drive, or anywhere, or in documents if it is MacBooks.
Okay.
Okay. Inside the AEM folder, you need to create two more folders, author and publish. Okay. So
Okay.
why? Because there are two instances of AEM, author instance and publish instance. So we
Yes.
created two folders. Okay. Then
Okay.
I shared one zip file CQ quick start 6.5.0. You just need to unzip it. Once you unzip it,
Mm-hmm.
you will find a jar file, and jar file name is CQ quick start 6.5.0.jar.
Yeah, that one I
Okay.
did it. Yeah.
Okay. So now you need to copy that jar file into author folder and publish folder. Okay. Also, I shared one properties file, license.properties. You have to copy the properties file into both author and publish folder. So now in your author folder, you have CQ quickstart 6.5.0 jar file and license.properties. In publish folder also the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Now in author folder, rename the jar file from CQ quickstart 650 to AEM-author-P4502. You can see here already renamed it. Okay, AEM-author AUTHOR-P4502. Why we are renaming it? Because the same jar file is going to serve your author instance as well as publish instance. Okay, so based on the naming convention, the jar file will serve your instance. Okay, that's why we renamed it. In publish folder, we renamed it to AEM-publish-P4503. Fine. So once you renamed it, we are ready for the installation. But before that, we have to check the JDK version in your system. Okay, so we need JDK 1.8. Okay, if it is some other version, you have to uninstall. Okay, so
Okay.
you have, yeah, so you have to install JDK 1.8. Once it is installed, okay, open your terminal or command prompt and check Java space hyphen version. It will show you the version 1.8 dot something something. Okay,
Java space what? Java space?
hyphen then
Okay.
version.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
once you make sure that JDK is installed, you have to go to the author folder, double click on the jar file, or right click or launch the jar file. Okay, you'll get that option. So make sure license.property should be there in the folder, author folder. Okay, then you'll get this widget where it will show the message quick start is starting on port number 4502. Okay, so
Yeah.
we have to, yes, so we have to wait for now for 5 to 10 minutes. It will take some time to install. If your system is slow, it will take more time. Okay, so we need actually minimum 8 GB of RAM. Okay, hope everyone is having that. Okay, we just need to wait and see, wait and watch. Once your instance starts, tab in your browser will open, or one browser will open, and it will ask you the credentials. Okay, once your instance starts, a page will open in your browser and it will ask you the credentials. Credentials are admin, everything in lowercase. ADMIN, username, ADMIN, password, both in lowercase. Okay, you have to provide the credentials, then we are done with the installation. So right now we just need to wait to complete the installation. Okay, it will take some time.
In C drive, I have to just write down author and publish, or author instance and publish instance.
Only two folders, author and publish. No mistake.
Okay.
if you have some other JDK version, then your instance will not start. Or if you don't have JDK in your system, the instance will not also start. Okay, make sure you have JDK 1.8. On top of that, our author instance will run.
CQ quick start in author folder. So CQ quick start, it will be I have to copy in author folder and public folder, right?
Yes, it's not public, it is publish.
Oh yeah, sorry, publish.
Yeah. Prasanna, can you please go to the folder CQ quick start folder under author? CRX quick start, open that, open logs folder. Okay, fine. So it is getting created. Go back. Open the widget. We'll see the progress bar.
Biswal, can you tell me one more time about the license? Like in author folder, I have to copy CQ jar license, right? You told me. Hello.
I believe so. They shared the license.properties file, right, in email. So you need to copy that license.property files in both the author and publish folder.
License, right?
The license.properties is the file.
It's supposed to be in download, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you
Yeah,
should
yeah, yeah.
receive
Yeah,
an
I got
email.
it. I got it. Okay, and rename aim author. Can you show me one more time about the rename AM author? Uh,
Yeah, this is what it is. You have this PQ hyphen quick start 6.50 that you need to copy into author and you need to rename it as in this format.
wait, I got confused. I don't understand.
Okay, so you would have got this file right via email. You would have extracted it. So it's a jar,
Supposed
file that
to
you
be
have to get.
in. Okay, so
and you are required to copy this into both author and published
Okay.
folders.
Okay.
Once there, you need to rename the jar file.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so just check the status. Yeah, it's there.
I'm just giving the rename for AIM author P4502. It says if you change a file name extension, the file might be become unusable.
So you are not going to change the extension. You just need to rename the file. The extension should be jar. Okay. So you are not going to change the extension, only the name you have to
Yeah, I'm
change.
just giving the zip is it's staying there only, right?
Zip,
You have to extracted the
you have
zip,
to
right?
extract the zip file.
Sorry?
Yes, you need to extract the zip file. So right click and unzip the zip file. Yes. See, so
Okay.
once the zip file is extracted, once the
Extractable, right?
yes,
Okay.
extract the zip file.
Okay.
Once you extract, you will find the jar file inside that. Okay. Then copy the jar file.
Hmm. Biswal, I'm sorry. It's coming again and again. Like, are you sure you want to change it? Can you
No,
show
no.
me more?
What you want to change actually? I'm not sure. Have you downloaded the zip file first? If it is downloaded, right click and extract it. Is
I
that
extract
done?
all.
Huh. So once it is extracted, you will find a folder called CQ Quick Start 650, right? Okay, share your
6.5.
screen, please. Yeah, share your screen, please.
One second.
Yeah, I made you presenter. You can share your screen.
How to do that? Oh, here.
Okay, you can see share screen option. Yeah. There is a screen, share screen option. Click on that.
It's a screen.
Yes. Just need to click on that screen. You'll be able to see.
You logged into your system via Kajal or Kajal Patel. We see two
Um,
names.
yeah, it's a Kajal.
Okay.
One is from my phone because it's there is something problem with the voice.
The Kajal Patel one is the phone, is it?
Kajal Patel is the screen, like a laptop, and Kajal is the phone.
Yeah, I have given the share screen option to laptop.
Okay.
Are you able to share your screen?
Yeah, I already shared, right?
Oh, I'm not able to see it.
You can see this one. I'm able to see your screen.
Okay. It's taking some time. Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah. So where you have downloaded?
Here
Copy
in
that zip file to. Yeah. Copy that zip file. Zip file to the AEM folder.
AM folder.
Have you created that folder in your C drive, D drive, anywhere?
Here
Okay. So
is the
create that. Okay. So
author and publish here.
okay. So the screen is loading. Wait for me. Yes. So
So this is the, I'm just giving the rename.
No, you should not rename the zip file. Go into the first
you
folder.
should not.
This one,
Correct.
but I don't see.
No, don't rename it. Just get into the folder. You will find a jar file there.
Yes.
Okay, so just click here and then folder, create
No,
a folder.
no, don't
No,
create
no,
any
no.
folder.
Double click the folder. Double click the folder.
So
This one?
Double.
For
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
no, delete. Back.
I'm sorry.
Go to back. Yeah. Delete this folder first. CRX quick start. Right click. Delete it. Delete
Second,
CRX. Delete CRX quick start folder. The first one that you have selected. Okay.
Now right click on the zip file and
Yeah.
extract
Right.
all.
Yes. Right click and extract. You have to right click on that.
yeah, I did right click.
No,
You're not getting.
click on that and then do a right click.
Yes. Extract. You're not able to extract it.
No,
What is showing cannot complete compress the folders extraction wizard. the zip folder is empty file. You have not downloaded the zip file. Okay, your zip file is not downloaded properly. So first download the zip file. Okay, then extract it.
Can you go to the downloads folder?
Yes,
This is the one, right?
it is showing only 1 KB, only 1 KB, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think this is the proper, you have not downloaded it properly. Okay, so
Okay.
download it one more time from your email that I shared.
Okay.
Okay, once you download, you have to extract it. Okay, right click and extract all. Then you will find the jar file inside that.
So can I delete this one?
Yes, you can delete it, download it again.
Okay.
So open the mailbox. No,
This.
no, 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 no. The other one, quick start. Yes, this one. Yes. It is 532 MB file. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so make sure it downloads. Wait, don't try to open it. Wait for that.
Okay.
It's downloading. Okay, so now you can, is it completed? We can copy that.
This one?
Wait, refresh your downloads folder. Refresh. Go to your downloads folder. Downloads. Yes. Yes. So right click, copy it.
Copy?
Yes. Yeah. Now go to author folder, paste it. Replace. Okay. So your author folder should be inside AEM folder. Okay. Anyway, it is fine. So now unzip it. Right click and extract all. Yes. So you have to remember, you created the author folder directly under C drive. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So now you can fine. Now open. No. Wait. Go back to the author folder. Author folder. Click on author in the address. Okay. So okay. Now open the folder first one. Copy this jar file. Right click, copy. You have to select it. There is a checkbox. No. Right click. You're not getting copy option.
Yeah.
You have not selected that jar file. How will get copy option? Select it.
This one?
Yes, copy. Now go to author folder. Yeah, paste it in author. There you can. Okay. Author. Right click, paste it. Rename this to AEM-author-P4502.jar.
This one, right?
Yes. Right click, rename AEM-author AUTHOR P4502. That's fine. Now, before we start it, go to your command prompt, check this JDK version.
What did you told me? Command?
Yeah, so there is a search box at the bottom, right? Click on that. Not here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you just tell me one more time?
You have to open the command prompt.
Okay, so
CMD. Yeah.
I'm using the Dell, so I don't know how to.
No, that's fine. So, okay. So, can you minimize this screen? Go to your in your desktop at the bottom, Windows, beside the Windows, you will find a search. Click on that. Beside the Windows, yeah. Type CMD. CMD. Yeah. Double click on command prompt. Okay. So in your command prompt, just type Java space. Go to your command prompt. Java space hyphen version. This is the command you have to try.
Java space.
Hyphen
Okay.
version. VERSION.
B.
Is V for version.
Oh,
One.
version. Okay. And then enter.
Yes. Okay, you are already having JDK 1.8. Now go to the author folder.
Can I close this?
Yes. Go to author folder. Double click on the jar file. Yeah. So after some time, it will ask you the credentials. The credentials are admin.
Okay.
Okay. You
Yeah.
just need to enter the credentials. That's it. Okay. Our installation is done.
Okay.
Admin in lowercase.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So all of you should try this. Okay. And make sure you install it. And we'll start about learning different consoles of AEM tomorrow onwards. Okay.
So, Vishwal, if you have few minutes, can I ask some doubt on AEM
Hmm.
headless architecture, Vishwal?
Okay, so we'll discuss that tomorrow. So what is headless architecture and all. Okay, so once you do the installation, we'll start with that. Okay.
Just 2 minutes, if you could spend some time. Right? I just have one single question.
Okay, go
So,
ahead, please.
yeah, so I was asked to do analysis on how
Hmm.
headless implementation can be implemented with the AEM. So I was
Hmm.
going through the documentation, and there were three different options:
Huh?
plain headless implementation, and then using remote SPA, and then the third one is directly building the SP application within AEM.
Yes.
So this using this remote SPA, right? So as per the documentation, it says that even components can be dragged and dropped into the SP editor. Is that really possible? Because I was just wondering, because when we say remote SPA, it means that the application is running elsewhere, right? So
Exactly.
so in
Exactly.
that case, if we are using the SPA editor within AEM, so basically it says that you have to embed the application in AEM. So I was thinking that we will be able to only edit content, because the content ultimately resides within AEM only. Because what was
Yes.
mentioned in the document is when you have the placeholders for the various fields in the SPA application, you need to tie that up with the corresponding content fragment field, correct? So
Correct.
that was looking feasible for me logically, but when they actually say that you can actually drag and drop components into it, so does it mean that it is capable of going and updating the SPA application?
No, no, no. It is not going to update the application. So when you drag and drop the component, it means you are authoring something. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, so you are going to do the changes inside, not inside the application. Okay. So that
Okay.
is, yeah, that is purely authoring. Okay. So SPA, have you done that SPA editor installation and all in your system?
No, no, I was just going through the documentation only.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, that documents. Yes, okay. So yeah, the documentation sometimes is misleading. So
Yeah, that's why I was totally confused looking at the documentation.
yeah,
Because I was wondering, if it is a remote application, how is it going to go and update the remote application with the components? Because it has to create a React component there, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
basically, what they were saying is that we can create a React specific component in AEM and React specific container in AEM.
Hmm.
So kind of what is the need for that if it is not going to go and update the React application, right? What is the need for having a container and a component for this
Hmm.
remote SPA?
Yes. So remote SPA is, the base is in React. Okay, React JS. Okay.
Right.
So whatever components you develop, it should compatible with that. Okay. Then
Okay.
only, yeah. So then only you have to install the SPA editor in your system, and you will get the placeholders. And in those placeholders, you will have if you have customized components and all developed using React compatible things, so you will be able to drag and drop it. So there is automatically it creates the container inside that. Okay. So you are not going to create anything.
Okay. And
Okay.
this container is only for authoring purpose. So you are
Yes.
saying,
Yes.
but it will not reflect on the remote application, correct?
Yes. 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 Exactly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but the documentation is completely misleading, so it was creating confusion.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So you'll get the recordings from Srinivas. Okay. So
Okay.
please share
So
your
for
email
me,
IDs with
yeah.
Srinivas. Okay. He's going to share the recordings.
Okay. So Vishwal, the installation got completed for me, and I'm prompted to enter the. I'm taken to the
Friends,
localhost
friends.
Adobe Experience team.
Yes, yes, yes. That is expected, and you are done with the installation. Yeah.
Okay.
So hope everyone will do it today, and we'll start about different consoles of AEM from tomorrow.
Thanks, Vishwal.
Yeah. Thank you all. Okay, bye.